Why is the Praetorian spawn so much quicker? Why does he always spawn the wrong side for me? He always spawns the opposite side that I'm on. Why? We're good, we're good, we're good. I was finishing him. He stumbled backwards onto the plate as I was finishing him. It's frozen to Mars. Can you stun the overload before you go in quick? Got the ads in here, we're good.
There's any water. My fault, grinding.
I ain't shocked. Killing an overload real quick. So this is going on to your 6th one, right? Okay. Yeah, Venus should be. Grab relic, grab relic, grab relic, grab relic. I got it. Just stay outside, stay outside, stay outside. We good. Just don't even try. Everything's frozen, we're good. Don't let them capture my thing. Alright, we're good. You just have to, you better use your abilities here, because I don't have a lot of ammo. Okay. I'll be fine for Wyvern as long as you can keep me alive. Focus the other side that I'm not on. I just got a brick of heavy, so I am set for life here. Come over to me to grab relic. Don't fall off the map with the relic and we're good.